Because I think Bezos did. He built like the biggest boat in the world.
Yeah.
And it's just like sitting there.
Well, he built a boat that they were going to have to dismantle a bridge.
Like a historic
to get
bridge.
it through in Holland.
And they were like, no.
The blowback was so heavy, they decided to not do that. So I guess they have to like get the boat out of the shipyard and then rebuild it somewhere else or finish building it. But
that
it's
sounds
so
very
big.
expensive. Yeah. Sounds expensive.
But it's a fucking ridiculously long boat. It's like a 500-foot long boat or something like that.
Who do you bring on that boat with you? With
all the bitches.
With
all the bitches. All the coke. Suitcases of coke.
It's a lot of coke, Joe.
EDM.
The
whole crew.
Morning Stars, you name it.
Yeah, the whole deal.
Maybe a horse. Is that a horse? What's that horse doing here? Oh, God.
What does he do with all that money?